Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I am going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account in 2025. But before that, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, open Instagram application here. Now in here, go to your profile here by clicking at the right bottom side. Now in here at right top corner you can see the 3-bar icon. Click on this. Now in here select accounts center. Now go down here and click on personal details. In here you will see account ownership and control. Click on this. Now click on deactivation or deletion. Now in here it will show you Facebook account and Instagram accounts. Click on your desired account. I will select my Instagram account here. Then click on delete account and then click on continue. Click on something else, then click on continue. Now in here type your password and your account will be deleted from Instagram. So this was the quick video how you can delete your Instagram account from Instagram. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.